Garfield is hugging the apple tree. Glad there are no birds eating from the peanuts, but they can find their feet elsewhere. Hi, Garfield. Hi. Oh, he loves to do it. Just let me see that he can do that. He's from 2007, so almost 13 years old, but a good climber. Huh, Corrie? Oh yeah, hockey, hockey. This is his favorite part of the year. Climbing into the trees. It's nice weather. Nice, pretty. This is Monty. She just had a swim. Whoa, Monty. Monty, kijk eens. Look. Oh, Monty, look. Look. Look, yeah. Garfield thinks, yeah, I am the master. Puppy. I never saw Pookie doing this. Pookie is not a climber. You can do it, Garfield.